Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Jabra Elite 10 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting with your device, or if they're not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set them up again because all of the pairing history will be deleted, and that's the second reason you might want to do this. If for whatever reason you just want to get a fresh start with these earbuds, like they're just coming out of the box new, this will do that for you, and it's very easy to do. All we need to do is put the earbuds in the case, leaving the lid open as shown here. Once we do that, we're just going to come in behind and we're going to press and hold the buttons on the back of the earbuds, both of them simultaneously. Hold both buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds until this indicator light here starts to flash in pink. Once that's flashing in pink, we can release the buttons, close the lid, leave the lid closed for about 5 seconds to complete the reset. And then once we do that, we can just open the lid up, take the earbuds out, and we can go ahead and connect these like they're a new set of earbuds.